make the star. Start with a magic ring and make 5 single crochet in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch. And make T-chain. 1, 2, 3. Make single crochet the first stitch, and next the second stitch, make half double crochet, and next stitch make slip stitch. Make the same 5 times around. Next I will make the window. Start with magic ring. Make single crochet 1 chain, single crochet 6 times in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And slip stitch. Make 1 chain and single crochet increase. Continue around. Now I have 12 stitches around here. Next, chain yarn to brown, and make back loop only slip stitch. Make around. I finish slip stitch around. Next, make slip stitch in the middle here, this side, and middle here. Make 1 more window. I show you how to make door. Start with slip knot and make 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 4 single crochet, 1 chain and single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make 3 single crochet in peak. 1, 2, 3 in the same stitch. Next, make 4 single crochet, 2, 3 and 4. I finished the first row. Start the second row. 1 chain, turn work, and make 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make single crochet increase 3 times. 1, 2, 1 increase, and second increase, 1, 2, and the third increase, 3, already 3 single crochet increase, and after make single crochet 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn work, 1 chain and turn work. Make 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make single crochet and single crochet increase. Single crochet increase, single crochet increase, single crochet increase, and next make 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make slip stitch around.